What do you do when you live in a house with 4 children, 5 cats, and a wife, and you need to film an unboxing video?
You do it in your bedroom. Hey everybody, Marty here. Today we're doing an unboxing. 3 of our friends across YouTube have sent us packages recently. I'm a little bit late opening these. Actually, they've been open for a while. With soccer season, choir concerts, work, and just the normal madness that comes with living in a house of 6 people, I'm finally getting around to doing it. With that, let's get to the first one. This first one comes to us all the way from Scotland, from our friends Dave and Lindsay at Desmond's Donders. We recently participated in their Scottish words pronunciation contest. Actually, James participated because James is of Scottish and Irish descent. We didn't win, but we did get a consolation prize, a Desmond's Donders channel sticker. This is actually the first sticker we've gotten from another channel, and it will be the first to go on our sticker board when we get a sticker board. That'll be coming soon, but that's definitely going on there. One is for the board, one is for James because he's the one who actually participated. They also sent us a card along with it. Great card, great scenery. Hello folks, thank you for entering our little contest. Thank you for your support and your great channel. Be well, David and Lindsay. David and Lindsay, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It was a lot of fun participating in the contest. We are going to leave a link to the playlist, not just our video, but to the playlist, so you can see our entry and all the other entries in the contest down below. Next package comes to us from another really good friend and another strong supporter of the channel. I don't think he's missed a video since he started watching, and he always comments, always has something witty to say, and we appreciate him so much. I love his channel. That's Max from Hike Camp. Recently, Max had a 250 subscriber giveaway. We won. Because of that, we won some cool prizes, and Max was kind enough to send them to us, and here we are. First prize was the Sawyer mini filtration system, which I'm looking forward to testing out. I am hoping to get into more long backpacking trips where this will definitely come in handy. Right now, I know we do mostly day hikes, but I do in the future want to engage into some overnight backpacking and some hitting some longer trails. There are many here in Kansas and in the surrounding states, and I'd really love to do that, and this will come in handy. Thank you, Max. Along with the filter, we also won a Knock Vecto bag. What it is it will serve as a water bladder to gravity feed your Sawyer filter. Plug it into the filter. Plug the filter into your water bottle or whatever container you're using, and it will gravity feed your water through and filter it into your container. I'm looking forward to using both of these sometime, hopefully in the near future. We're not done with the prizes yet. The last thing, a Hike Camp channel sticker, or not channel sticker, channel patch. It's Velcro. When we do get our sticker board going, we're going to have a section that's Velcro, and we will put that on there. So we've got our first 2 entries for the channel board. And this one I'm looking forward to using, especially down in our trip in New Mexico. If you've been watching it for a while, you know that we are planning a trip to New Mexico with our family from California and our family from Texas. The last prize is a Hike Camp flask. If my sister-in-law Tracy and my dad are watching, I'll give you one guess on what's going to go in here. It starts with yay and it ends with grr. Once again, Max, thank you so much for the prizes. They're definitely going to get some use for us, and we really appreciate it. All right, the last one, the last package. This didn't come from a prize. This didn't come from a contest. This came from the kindness of our friends' hearts, Kay and Matt at Happy Trails Hiking. They're just great people. We've become fast friends with them. Just love them to death. It somehow came up in conversation that we did not have a Dutch oven. They sent us this large Hold it up.
It's heavy.
Cast iron Dutch oven. There it is. I'm looking forward to using that. I've already got a few recipes in mind. And I know we've got other YouTube friends out there with Dutch oven cooking channels. I'm going to be looking at some of your guys' videos to look for recipes. I've never cooked with one of these things before. My sister has. If you saw our Colorado videos, you might have seen that. I've already gotten her apple cobbler recipe. So we will definitely be putting this to some use. Lisi's pretty excited too because she wants to bake some stuff and eat it. Okay, Matt, thank you so much. This means the world to us. Like I said, not part of any contest, not part of any giveaway. They just sent it to us out of the kindness of their hearts, and we truly appreciate it. Much love to both of you, and we can't wait to see you guys again here in just a couple weeks. So, if you haven't heard yet, we are going to be attending a Midwest YouTuber meetup in Junction City State Park in Missouri with Happy Trails Hiking, Outdoor Nomad, Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. We cannot wait. That means I need to get this puppy ready and some recipes going because that's just in a couple weeks. To all you folks who sent us something recently, thank you so much. Whether it's by a contest or just because you felt like sending us something, we really appreciate it. And if any of you watching want to send us anything, whether it just be some mail, just something to tell us what you think about our channel, it doesn't have to be a package. If you just want to say hi, send us a letter. I'm going to leave our address in the description below. A couple channel updates. We do have some big plans coming up. I mentioned the meetup at Johnson Shut-ins. We're into camping season. Once the rain stops here in the Midwest, we're going to be trying to camp as much as we can. One trip planned for just locally here at Milford Lake. We've got the trip to New Mexico coming up. I want to get back to Wilson Lake again this year. One place I really want to get to this year is Canopolis State Park. They have some trails there that I've been wanting to hit for a long time. Yeah, we've got a lot of big plans, just waiting for the weather to cooperate. So videos are going to start coming out on a more regular basis again. You may have noticed already. We're still involved with the Hike 365 challenge. I'm still involved in the 30-day health challenge with Happy Trails Hiking as well. We haven't scratched the surface on how many trails you can hike in Kansas. And we also want to start getting around to more of the sightseeing stuff. We want to go back to Rock City. We want to go see, Abilene is just down the road from us. We want to go see the Eisenhower Museum. We've got so much around us. That's the great thing about being in the Midwest. It's just a road trip away. So, like I said before, thank you to everybody who has sent us something in the last couple months. I'm sorry it took so long to get an unboxing video done for it. I know you probably weren't expecting an unboxing video, but I felt I wanted to recognize those people who have been kind enough to share things with us. Hopefully you guys will go out and check out their channels. Tell them Marty sent you. Their links will all be in the description. Thank you again so much, everybody. Find us on Twitter, find us on Facebook. Address is down below. Stay in touch. We love to hear from you. If you like the video, leave a like down below. If you're not subscribed, you want to see more of our content, we do a lot more than just unboxings. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell so you're notified when we post new content. Leave a comment. We always enjoy your comments. That's all I got for now. This is Marty. Catch you on the next one.